Hey guys, so welcome to the video. Today, as the title suggests, I'm shaving Lewis's hair. Now I've got to be honest, I don't want him to shave his hair off because I love his hair, but he's insistent, so yeah, got to do it. In mum and dad's garden, all socially distancing obviously, and they have a new puppy, so just before we shave Lewis's hair off, look at this, look at her. Oh, and they're having the garden done, so just excuse the mess. Look at this little one, Peppa. Come on. Come on, darling. Peppa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, that was difficult, wasn't it? Wasn't it? That was difficult. Yeah, that was difficult, wasn't it? Oh, she's so tiny. You sure?
It doesn't look very sure. Let me just hang on. Let's just have a look at that face close up.
This is his idea.
Are you sure, Luke? Take a big slug of that, Jim, mate. You're about to lose your manhood.
It'll grow back. It'll grow back, won't it? Reassure me.
Eventually.
Are you ready? We'll do it that way, like that. Don't I?
No, you're gonna go from back to front.
Just don't cut me.
Back to front.
No, I know, but I just want to shave a bit here.
Yeah, just do.
Don't cut me. Oh, can I, have you got a towel?
I think I'm more scared than he is because I don't want you to do it. Are you ready? No going back. Oh my god, look at all your lovely hair. Oh my god. Oh, bye hair.
What?
I'm sad.
Why?
Because I love your hair.
It'll grow back. Mine did.
That's reassuring.
Yeah, for the vlogs that don't know, my dad doesn't have that much hair, so. Oh my god, this is so much hair. You literally have so much hair.
There's a grade 2 in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The grade 1's on the table if you want to go grade 1.
Probably not.
Yeah, be right, mate.
Then you should be cutting it upwards if you're doing the sides.
There's not much difference between a grade 1 and a grade 2, to be honest.
I'm just getting the bulk off loose to begin with.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my god.
Put your head back. Head back.
Is it too late to turn back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks alright actually. It looks quite small.
Yeah.
No, it does, seriously. It does. I think it looks good.
It's like you're going in Babson.
I need to lose the dad bod now, and I could probably pass off for being in the army.
Peppa's come to have a look.
Yeah, you'd have to go shorter than that if he's in the army.
Why don't you ask that before you catch my ear off?
Put your head back, please.
Tell me then.
Well, I told you before and you won't do it.
No, I didn't. I feel like you're not.
Trust me. It's short, isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, but I feel like you're taking ages.
Table. What are you doing?
What's up?
I wish I could taste it, Julia. I can't. I'm scared to move at the moment.
I would be if I was you.
Right, nick an artery.
Oh.
Don't. Can't wait to see Mum's reaction to this.
I know, we're not telling her, are you?
No, until tomorrow. I'm going to FaceTime Richard though. People at work are going to go absolutely mad.
The worst thing is I can't even see what it looks like. All I can see is that you've not got any hair.
You've got more hair on your chin now, on your chinny chin chin.
That's probably why.
I think you've pretty much got it.
Yeah.
Looks quite even.
Alright guys, so are you ready for Lewis's hair? Obviously, as you can see, this is not the day we cut it because my battery ran out on my camera. So, let me show you. Okay, so take it down. This is his hair. I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah, it's not staying like this. I'm just going to grow it out a bit of a refresh of the style.
Yeah.
Saves me a lot of time in the morning.
So, as you can see, it's another day. I didn't film an outro for this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing me shave Lewis's head. It's actually growing back loads now, and it's kind of growing on me. I'm not gonna lie, I miss his long hair, but he still looks good with short hair. So, it worked. He's growing it back out. That was always the plan, to shave it off and then grow it back out. And yeah, that's exactly what he's done. So, if you did like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you next video. Bye.